This is Total Contraptions here. Today we're going to be making a Firecracker Cannon. So to do this you'll need some fuse, a CO2 cartridge, some firecrackers, and a pen. The first thing you'll want to do is drill out the top of the CO2 cartridge. So after you've drilled out the top, you'll want to make a slanted hole right here for the fuse. After that, you'll want to drill a big hole through the bottom. Now after you've finished drilling, you'll want to open up your pen. Now you're going to want to super glue your pen to the cartridge. Now you wait. Once the super glue is finished, you'll want to stick the fuse through the hole. You can tape this to your firecracker. Pull this through. Now you'll want to cut the fuse. There you go. We 3D printed a base for the cannon. This is optional. We use airsoft BBs as the ammunition. If the airsoft BBs roll out before it shoots, that's alright. Just put a little hot glue on it and it'll be just fine.